One of the most exciting and wonderful activity at the Koktobe mountain is to ride in cable car that takes you to the other part of the city, and it is always a wonderful, most exciting and highly interesting activity you will enjoy at the Koktobe hill. When riding the Koktobe cable car, you will be treated to panoramic views of both natural and urban landscapes. You can have a wonderful city view, especially you can have a downtown Almaty view. It is an impressive aerial view of Almaty's city center, including recognizable buildings and wide tree-lined avenues. Also, Republic Square and other landmarks are wonderfully observed. Depending on the visibility, you might spot important civic structures and monuments as well. You will have a wonderful view of Transli Altao mountain to the south, and especially majestic snow-capped peaks of the Tianshan mountain range are also visible from the cable car. Similarly, green hills and forested areas are very beautifully observed. The cable car glides over lush green vegetation, especially it is very scenic in the spring and summer season. You will see a sweeping view of the city that is spread out below you. Especially, it is very wonderful and beautiful at sunset or at night when the city lights up. Similarly, the surrounding majestic snow-capped peaks dominate on the southern horizon, and on clear days they look stunning against the blue sky. The rides take you over parks, neighborhoods, and urban areas, offering a unique view of Almaty's blend of nature and modern life. It is very interesting to observe the city life, the people who are engaged in daily activities, some compounds where kids are playing, and similar views offer you a stunning view of the city. The whole environment seems to be very pleasant, cool, and refreshing, especially when you observe that how peaceful and calm the city surrounding you is going on. Different design structures and spaces having different shapes offer you really a blend of wonderful living and understanding of each other. Sometimes you can observe people discussing or interacting with each other through their windows and saying hello, hi with each other, and even to the passengers traveling through the cable car. When you descend at the lower station, the near beautiful avenue is Dostok Avenue. That is basically a very wide and very well organized square where people do come for entertainment and having a relaxing time. Close to this Dostok Avenue, there is also now a university that is called as the Technology University, and that is why this square is always full of a lot of activities. Have some wonderful time and observe each and every corner of this square, and you will see that it is very rare to have this sort of environment that is very clean and always lacking rush of the people. It is wonderful to have a peaceful time. Close to this square, there are a lot of wonderful activities that include Hotel Kazakhstan, that is a Soviet era architectural landmark with panoramic rooftop views and a popular restaurant and cafe where many people enjoy their free time and have a wonderful gathering of friends. Similarly, a bit around 10 minutes far away, there is a wonderful opera house that is one of the most beautiful cultural building in Almaty. It offers opera, ballet and concerts. The other wonderful activities or the places are very close to this square, especially Park of 28, Panfilov Guardsmen. Similarly, you can have a wonderful view of Zenkov Cathedral in it. Similarly, Kastiv Museum of Arts. It is also at a walking distance, and it is one of the top art museum featuring traditional Kazakh art, Soviet era work and contemporary pieces. Surrounding this square, there are many trendy spots including local Kazakh cuisine, modern coffee shops and international eateries. Similarly, if you wish to explore Dostok Avenue, you will come across a variety of boutiques, bookstores, and wonderful sidewalks that capture Almaty's urban character. Adjacent to this square is the Palace of Republic. It is very a famous place, and especially if you wish to approach there directly, you can have a different routes, and the public transport is also available. This central location is easily accessible and serves as the main departure point for the cable car ride to Kok Tobe Hill. If you have not enough time and you are quickly interested in covering up this tour to the top of the mountain, it is better to take the cable car from this place, reach to the top of the mountain, enjoy there, and then descend back by the same cable car. It will be again a very wonderful and memorable activity. While in the cable car, always have a company of friends. Even if the people who are riding with you are not in your company, you can make and discuss with them a lot of things. It is always a wonderful and highly interesting activity. People enjoy your company, discuss with them, and at the same time continue making the shots and doing the videography. It will be a very wonderful activity and ever memorable event of your life. Keep recording the videography from different corners and different directions, and you will see that it is always a stunning and highly attractive when you watch it in your free time. The real beauty of Almaty can be explored while riding in the cable car. There is no end point, and every new view and every new position of the cable car takes you to the heaven. As the cable car takes you to the top of the mountain, the slopes of the mountain offers you a very stunning view of the urban and rural mixture of the life. When rising up to the mountain, the architecture of the roads and the buildings seems to be very stunning and quite different when you observe it when descending to the bottom of the cable car. It seems stunning throughout the day, but if you spare some time and enjoy this activity during the evening time, it is very exciting and seems to be a dreamy environment that you will remember throughout your life, and this place will attract you more and more again. See how peaceful, refreshing, and dynamic environment is it. Now you need to cover up some of the lesson that is specifically designed for the need of this episode. So, Russian lesson 14. These are common phrases associated with episode. 1. Я хочу купить билет на. 2. Сколько будет стоить билет? 3. В какое время это откроется? 4. В какое время это закроется? 5. Мне это очень нравится. 6. Сколько времени это займет? 7. Мне нравится Kantaya Gorda. Kantanaya. 8. Какая красивая площадь. Now, these are the phrases which are not only frequently used in this type of episode, but you can learn these phrases in order to use them for different situations. So keep repeating and enjoying your learning. It is always a wonderful activity.